Hey guys, how y'all doing? Welcome back to another vlog, a very random vlog. So in today's vlog, before I even start, I want to say thank you all for the support. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting. I'm so grateful. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and do all the good things to this video. Thank you so much. See you soon. Guys, while I was leaving Rapid City, I got some goodbye gifts from my friends. Shout out to the four of you, Kayode, Abisola, Judith, and Joshua. Thank you to y'all for this amazing gifts. Also, shout out to my girl Anushka. She took me out. She didn't let me pay. She paid the bills. I am grateful. So now I think it's time for me to rock this sweater. I kind of like oversized sweaters, which makes this perfect. And this one is a top, like a female kind of, this is the hand and this is what it looks like. And this one, the turtlenecks, I think, in 3 different colors. And this one is I'm not going to share what's inside because it's personal, but I love it. I read it and it was like, so sweet, goodbye, And this, chocolates. It's even written Happy Valentine. Let's open this together. Let's see what's inside. Okay. All right. Finally opened it. This is what it looks like. Let's try one. No, Aladi. So guys, thank you so much. I love y'all. Thank you for getting me this stuff. I wasn't expecting anything, to be honest. This is so nice of you. Guys, tell them thank you in the comment section. Tell them thank you, okay? Such lovely friends.
This one they made everybody come to church today. It's gonna be.
Nah, I'm filming you.
It's gonna be struggling for seats.
You made a fear. Cut on fresh. Hi guys. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi guys.
Who are you?
I'm here with Abroad Eye.
Don't worry. Wide angle.
Look at this kid. Tell me.
Vlog for us today, bro. Don't put dashboard. You can raise your hand.
Nice.
Yeah.
No, I want me to be perfect for your stuff.
Vlog for us.
I say live.
Your friend na YouTuber, wetin you go do? You guys can do sideways, any view, just film anything you can film.
In 1,000 feet, use the left lane to turn left.
If you're tired, just stop.
Don't worry, Daddy. I did nothing. So most of the business stops are concentrated around the side.
Turn left on East 200 South.
Oh, I think I missed my turn.
Really?
Oh, I know. Maybe I did it with this. Maybe we should make the next one. We should make sure. Oh, there's a place to switch.
In 600 feet, use the left lane to turn left. Turn left on East 100 South.
This one is new, so we should see. I don't even know what to be changed to now. Signs flashing.
The steerings are always right.
You dare not hit them. Are you kidding? Wait, did I miss my turn? This
In
does.
a quarter of a mile, turn left on Southwest Temple Street.
Did I I miss my.
Probably a ton before, right?
Oh, I don't think. Okay. Still.
I think it's still good. It's still good.
Yeah, I didn't miss it. Yes. The thing didn't change because I was expecting it to quickly change. But yeah.
In 1,000 feet, use the left 2 lanes and turn left.
Right again. Go for the.
This stuff is just dangerous. I can't do it.
What do you do?
This stuff,
What they are riding?
this electric stuff.
Which lane are every day? This lane. This one. 3 lanes there around the stay here. Uncle, if you don't tell I make drop man, don't be like that.
I know you are going to edit it now. Go remove what you go remove the unremovables.
Actually, you can turn here.
Turn left on Southwest Temple Street.
Okay. We're close like 2 minutes ago.
Yeah, I'm really close. Don't kill yourself.
Because of Aladi-Ada.
Tripod for filming. I used to hold tripod because it helps to stabilize your hand. I've gone too far. Well, I beg. Enjoy your life, Aladi, without camera, but no, because you want to show your people. Hey guys, I came to Salt Lake City. So see who we have here.
Hi guys.
Tables have turned.
Aladi's gave me a tour.
Now me they give you time. Which kind of life is that? Guys, meet this my Igala brother, my one and only Igala brother in this America. Chai.
Yo.
We know plenty. We are scarce.
That's not bad. Aladi is the only person I've seen.
Same here. And I do kitchen Igala kida. The video I just. Edeshe Boba, our Bigala, our Deo. Ekowade.
Our debut. Just Yoruba and Igbo people are full. I don't full US because I don't know, and
Yeah.
I think it's about exposure too.
If you got that, we need to do better.
Yeah, like I was discussing with so like this Gala Education Foundation. I even got it.
And is this the same as zone? Waiting, 6 spots. And they are building more. Whoa.
I think it's this building, Sha. It's how to enter the building and entrance now.
This thing is confusing, Sha.
Yeah.
2 hour max. Saturday 2 hour free, max free.
Yeah, I think.
So Sunday, what of Sunday? They no write Sunday. Now this building.
Yeah.
No.
These things are locked.
Okay, we want to shop for restaurant now. We know we find the place.
Oh.
Yeah, you daddy. Or check it on Google Maps how the building is. I shame. I hate people watching my video beside me. Once you click on my video like this, I'm leaving you. This place can't be a restaurant. It looks so quiet.
This cannot be. I think we'll go through the other one. No, this is look at the restaurant there. This is the back I'm seeing like this. So
let's just go. Is there a road there?
That is the back, but I think we should have gone through the front. Mexican food. Good evening, honey. You gotta go around to the side. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Hey, boo boo, be careful. Thank you. Oh, wow.
I'll be like that. Okay, sure. Yeah, table 6.
Oh, this one is
We'll
cutting.
see you at table 6. How are you guys? This is like a big table. You don't have a small table?
Only tripod, don't if not to ma.
Yeah. Veggies for burgers? Chicken for burgers?
So you cook. So you don't cook, you don't chef.
But after a while, like after 2 months, they now give me TA. They now give me TA. After I spend like a month myself, I spent just a month in that dining. I know it's always easy, like when you come to school, that's the easiest place to get job. I can apply the next day they are calling you.
Yeah, because they are always looking for
They're
manpower.
always looking for manpower. So I now got a TA, that's how I now learned the job. But look at this place I am now. This place, I'm not even doing TA job. Like the scholarship was school, my tuition, they
So
pay
you are
me.
just
I don't have
RA.
to, I'm just RA, so I don't do marking. And the money they pay me, way like in fact of that is probably at home. Interview, they say we should come and dance. Engineering company. When they say my whether I did pass of time. You don't really get to do it.